Welcome to my another COD mobile video. Please watch because I'ma do BR this time. I switched to turn to BR because I think gem ranks is just way too tough right now, and later on I'ma try to be good at that. Let's go. Where should we land?
Saan tayo land, bro? Ikaw jump leader.
Let me calculate all of these.
Wow.
So if you land in overgrown, there will no be players because that is way too close on the spawn. And if I
There will
go
no
to
be
Sakura,
player. There will-
it's trash because the name itself is kinda not good already. So I think we need to land on bus station or standoff. So based on my calculation, bus station
Wow.
is near to us. So I think we need to go in bus station, bro.
Bro, there's a station. Ang big part mo. Ikaw ang big part mo, bro.
What did they mark?
Sa may launch base na yan.
Yeah, I'm right. Oh no, ang dami. No, 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 no. I'm dead. I am dead.
Bro,
My calculation was right. No, 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 no.
bro, you're dead. Bro,
We're
duo lang
dead.
yan. Duo lang yan. Kaya natin yan.
Bro, that is not duo, that's trio. I swear, bro,
Master
that is
5
a
na pala
trio.
kasi ako. Master 5 na kasi ako, Ace. I'm sorry, Ace.
Oh my goodness, bro, I'm scared. I am so scared, bro.
Give me a
I'm
good
not
gun.
scared. I have chopper now. All I need to do is camp their ass and beat them.
Nice! AK-117!
Yo! What a big W. Bro, I warn you, bro. Medyo malapit ka sa kanila. I warn you, bro.
Ako talaga. Narinig ko basta niya. Bro, I have striker.
Maybe he heard my
Ayun.
footsteps.
Bahay dito, Marco.
Sige. Bro, there's no
Yan,
mark.
nasa
What are you
mark
talking
na.
about, bro?
Wala na.
Doon na. Dalawa. Take out. Punta na ako sa bahay.
What the?
Shit! Likuran! No.
Bro, I got SMRS!
Let them push.
Nawan, hita ko! Ace, help!
Get the dog tag. Help them return to the battle.
Let this fucker push.
Bro, oh my god!
Ang dami na. I'm scared.
Dalawa. Oh my god, ba't ka nag-shoot?
Oh!
You're dead. Shoot.
I'm fucking dead.
You're dead.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Naka-launch silang dalawa eh.
I'm
Nice one, you
fucking
survived.
dead.
Pinakdown yung Thurling ah.
Idiot ass.
Dog tag to
Kampi yan,
Oh no.
kampi yan.
No.
Kuha ka ng armor.
return to the battle.
Kuha ng armor.
No.
Survive ka lang.
No, there's a fucking vehicle.
Kampi yan. Kampi nila yun. 7 seconds.
Come on.
Huwag mo na patayin yan. Marinig ka.
The safe zone
No, there's a player.
Madala ako.
I don't need to push. There's a guy. Okay, I need to push now. Make a move. Pick a pick.
No.
Come on,
Sa Marco.
What a crazy... Oh, I'm dead. Bot. Easy, my guy. You're a fucking easy kill, buddy. Get your ass over here. Nah, bro, med. Kailan ko ng med. I need med, bro.
Wala pa ako. Naka-cooldown pa ako.
Car. I'm gonna go car. I don't wanna
Let-
risk
let-
dying.
Kukunin ko lang yung ano ko. AK-117 ko.
How did I clutch that? I am so clutch in BR.
May one hit kasi ako ng SMRS eh.
How
Thank
did I
you so
survive
much.
that
Ace,
with
ace,
literally
ace.
half a armor? Not even a medic.
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Hindi kasi Ace tawag doon. Ako direct hit ako.
Oh.
Ikaw may cover ka pa eh. Thank you for watching, bro. Oh my god.
Bro, I'm literally the most clutch player in BR, bro.
I'm such a good driver.
Bro's not even crash. Ah, shit, man. Bro lost his license ever
Oh, wait,
since.
without us.
Bro, just don't push. Just don't push. Safe ground. Why the hell did you stop, bro?
Bro.
Safe. Safe
Taas,
ground.
may tao sa taas. Tao.
How the fuck did you... No way.
Akala ko di ka makakalata. Bro, dito first time. Smoke ka. Wala akong self-revive.
Ah, shit. Ang dami na. No, I'm dead. I'm fucking dead.
Bro, you're dead. I'm so sorry, bro.
Bye, bro. Bye. Bye.
Ah, dead.
Bye. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna risk it now. I need something like an armor. Like in that house. Don't worry, bro. I will clutch.
Ayan, ah.
Stop. Gladly, that guy did not push me that much.
Balik ka naman ako. Dalan mo lang ako.
I don't have fucking armor.
Once you get armor.
I don't even have
What may
snowboard. How am I gonna grab this? This is a situational. Wait, am I just grab my motorcycle? What the hell am I doing?
Kaya, you know, what's
Oh, there's another house there. Come on, please. Kapag wala ko nakita dito, immediately I will go to you. Please. Heavy. Oh, nice. Okay. But upgrade. Got the upgrade right there.
Kaya mo yan. Oh, walang armor. Mamaya, 1 minute pa naman ako is.
Okay, let's
Dito
go.
unlucky, ba't ganun?
I'm so
Why so
unlucky. It's fine. We push a push. Come on. Come on. Clutch this, buddy. Clutch. Shit. Come on. Yes! I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. Pick, diba? I'm dead.
Scan mo na muna ako sa safe place.
What a drift! That's a nice drift. Zone is closing out. I don't have armor.
Dog tags have been scanned
So bad.
successfully.
Bro, pag pagpunta ko dyan, like lang sa edge na doon. Pero bumaba ko sa'yo.
Airdrop incoming.
Para may cooldown na, pero ako eh. For 1 minute cooldown
I
ako.
must see if there's something here. I don't trust this. There's a car there. I still
Wala.
have some armor. There is no armor. Absolutely nothing.
Punta na ako isa.
Okay, come to me.
Been delivered.
May car dito. Car ako.
Man, there's somebody pushing me. I hear some footsteps.
Patay doon. Akin yung
Nice.
babaril. Give me the gun.
Bro, where's my Holger? I need that. Bro, that's my Holger,
Okay.
bro. What the hell? Bro, that's my Holger, bro.
Nice.
Did bro just stole my Holger?
Andiyan sa'yo. Ito na.
Wait, what? Oh, nice. Hey bro, Holger is literally the best
Okay,
gun in
ano?
VR.
Pipeline. Para may makalaban dito ka. Malapit sa airdrop.
Except MG42 Mythic, Holger gonna become the first place. Best element.
Oo.
Mythic MG.
Mag-reload muna ako, Ace. Teka
You
lang,
can
teka
actually
lang.
just camp in here.
Oh, I have no AR or LMG.
What is that gun? Man, skip that. You have a striker on me. She's for pushing
Wow.
actually.
Di ako naka-shopping.
Shopping spree.
Nice, AK-117. Massive. Tara na. I need...
Okay, here's something.
Mas northeast.
I'm gonna remove that.
What is puntahan ko lang? Check ko lang.
Pwede naman. Oh, may
Nasa
back.
may farm.
Guy.
Yung sa'yo, sa likod mo. Sinusulit ako
Man, he just sucks.
Buwan. Salamat sa buwan eh. Saan yun? Saan yung crate?
There's a car right here.
Nice. Yung zone.
Quite a hurts.
May
Yeah.
May car
Let
ka
me
na pala.
get this. So we got less chance of exploding together. I'll go this way. It hurts. It freaking hurts. Nice. Better to go.
Doon ka na.
I'm a edge right here.
Finally, one kill.
I heard something. There's an enemy right there. On mark.
Enemies
In
near.
house.
The airdrop is coming.
Dalawa dito.
Wait, there a guy right there. I can't hit.
Airdrop has been delivered.
I'm gonna take this helicopter as my repulse. Come on, bro. If I see that fucking pixel.
Okay. Sa case. Punta na ako dyan.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Buhay na po.
Let him push in lower.
Inaabol ako.
I'm gonna clutch this though. You're not getting eliminated anytime soon.
Ano daw na ako isa? Sa bundok na yan, daming tao dyan.
Bro, how about you come to me? I don't have car. There's even a snowboard here.
Sige, punta na ako sa'yo.
He's hunting me. Help me, bro. They're double teaming me. Hear some footsteps. He's here.
Wait lang, may tao dito.
I'm absolutely dead. He's using SG on window side.
The airdrop is
Punta na ako.
coming.
Wala sino yung ano, doon. Medic ako isa.
On back side. They're pushing me.
Sige pa. Quick ka.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Get out of this smoke.
Hindi na nag-ano.
Zone na.
Ace. Sakay ka.
Where are you, bro? Come on. Dito na ako. Come here. Go.
Oh my god.
What the absolute fuck?